Welcome back to Technology in the Future, your premier destination for in-depth analysis and insights into the latest technological advancements. As we approach the 8-month milestone since the release of the DJI Pocket 3, speculation surrounding the next-generation Pocket 4 has begun to mount. Anticipating innovation, exploring potential features and upgrades. As we delve into the possibilities, we invite you to join the conversation. What features do you envision for the Pocket 4? What innovations would elevate this already impressive device to new heights? Over the past few months, we have been meticulously exploring the capabilities of the Pocket 3, gathering invaluable insights from our community. One particularly astute comment has left a lasting impression, and we will share this game-changing idea with you by the end of this video. As we explore the possibilities for the next-generation DJI Pocket 4, we turn our attention to two of the most popular requests from the community: empowering creativity in adverse conditions. A fundamental yet crucial upgrade, weather resistance would provide the Pocket 4 with a vital shield against the elements. This addition would be particularly beneficial for creatives who frequently capture moments in less than ideal conditions, such as outdoor enthusiasts, storm chasers, or documentary filmmakers. Unlocking new dimensions in cinematic storytelling. Building upon the Pocket 3's impressive time-lapse capabilities, programmable waypoint control would revolutionize the creative possibilities of the Pocket 4. This feature would enable users to design complex camera movements, unlocking new dimensions in cinematic storytelling and further solidifying the Pocket 4's position as a powerhouse in compact cinematography. As we continue to explore the possibilities for the next-generation DJI Pocket 4, we examine 6 crucial feature upgrades that would significantly enhance the camera's creative capabilities. Unleashing fixed field of view possibilities. The ability to lock the gimbal would open up a world of creative opportunities, effectively transforming the Pocket 4 into a fixed field of view camera with an incredible sensor. Enhanced versatility for tripod setups. A small but significant improvement, a 1/4-inch mount on the bottom of the camera would make it more versatile for various tripod setups. Empowering creative control. In-camera exposure and focus lock should be standard features, allowing users to take full control without relying on the app. Unlocking dynamic shots and creative boundaries. A full 360-degree rotation would unlock dynamic shots that were previously out of reach, pushing the boundaries of creativity and cinematographic innovation. As we delve into the realm of innovative features for the next-generation DJI Pocket 4, we explore 4 groundbreaking concepts that would revolutionize the filmmaking experience. Effortless filmmaking in the palm of your hand. The future of filmmaking is hands-free. By integrating gesture control and voice commands, the Pocket 4 would streamline workflows, making it even more effortless to capture life's precious moments. A robust build for fearless filmmaking. A more resilient and rugged design would provide filmmakers with peace of mind, empowering them to take the Pocket 4 on even the most demanding adventures. A game-changing innovation for low-light filmmaking. Utilizing the screen as a fill light in low-light conditions would be a groundbreaking innovation, transforming the Pocket 4 into an indispensable tool for night shoots and low-light cinematography, elevating the Pocket 4 to professional-grade filmmaking. The piece de resistance, DJI remote controller compatibility, would catapult the Pocket 4 into the realm of professional-grade filmmaking. With a high-quality screen for precise monitoring, this feature would unlock unparalleled creative possibilities and redefine the boundaries of cinematic storytelling. The DJI Pocket 3 has already established itself as a revolutionary device, pushing the boundaries of pocket-sized cinematography. However, the proposed enhancements would elevate this powerhouse to unprecedented heights, solidifying its position as the ultimate tool for creatives and filmmakers. DJI, are you listening? As we eagerly await the unveiling of the DJI Pocket 4, we invite DJI to take note of our community's innovative ideas and suggestions. We encourage you to continue sharing your brilliant concepts in the comments below, fueling the creative dialogue that drives technological advancements. Stay connected and join the conversation. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis, insightful discussions, and tech-filled adventures. Together, let's shape the future of cinematography and innovation.